Dingo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's my monkey friend over there. We doing another episode. My man's gotta go on chat.
I am in action.
Alright, here we go.
You sound like you're talking to a freaking postman.
Oh yeah.
I know how territorial they are. I swear to God, dude! It's not funny anymore, dude.
I'm not
it's
doing
not
anything.
Funny.
I'm not doing
Bro,
anything.
this is all I see from you.
It's family friendly. I wasn't showing them. No! Dude, I turned it. Now that's all I see. Ooh, I like fire. I become fire. My suburban desert.
Say hi to him. Yo, Rock Monkey, do you like my new hat?
Monkey.
Maybe I have to wake him up. Always here's him. Daisy, Daisy, give me your hands or two. I'm half crazy, oh, for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage.
Nope. Coronavirus. Coronavirus. Get off my land, donkey.
This ain't no drink. Alright guys, you wanna know what? Kids, tell them that we're gonna be doing funny moments now. Tell them we're gonna do a funny moments video.
Screw the rock monkey thing, guys. We're doing just funny moments with body.
Yeah, after this video, we're in a couple hours, or maybe a couple minutes, we're gonna upload another Rise of Rock Monkey video. Acting like you
Ryan, ready? Oh yeah.
Hey, that's not my name. My name is Stacy.
Oh yeah, you know what else is Stacy? Your face.
Yeah, I'm gonna go son you, freaking cookie cocky.
Dude, this is family friendly, man.
Family friendly.
Yo, we gotta go show them what I do inside the city.
No,
oh, that gets so...
We're not doing that.
Run,
Not family
run.
friendly. That's not family friendly.
Where I just run in circles? He killed himself. He smacked something and killed himself.
I'm not joking.
Oh, Ryan, look. Just listen to this. No, Ryan, just look at me, okay? Look at me, ready?
I'm coming down. Get that chicken from Popeyes. Get that chicken from Popeyes. Riker, you gotta get that chicken from Popeyes.
God is good.
Riker, make sure you get that chicken from Popeyes.
The macaroni from Popeyes?
Get that chicken from Popeyes.
Which one?
My God.
Bro, my tracking was lost. Oh, it's black. I can't see. Uh-oh. 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 This isn't good. My God.
Go back in app chat, bro.
I'm in app chat.
Are you, hey, bro, you in party chat. Oh, God. Come here, Dream. Dream, but he goes on a budget and his microphone's not working.
watch this. Ready?
Freaking audio. The audio, his little baby sings the audio, and he drops his little baby. Now his baby sounds like he has freaking Down syndrome. Riker, listen. Kids VR, listen. This POV Dreams, POV Dreams baby does the music and stuff. POV Dream drops his baby, now it has Down syndrome. and then Dream breaks his mic, so when he says, "Come here, George," all you hear is this.
No, this is how you do it.
Oh God, you're crying. Oh my God, dude. You're not Dream. We have one friend that likes Dream, that the dude in his background. Dude, shut up, you're not Dream.
Hello there.
What the Obi-Wan Kenobi steroid?
Hello there.
Oh, I just pee-peed myself.
How Dream laughs with the 99 cents Dollar Tree headset.
Oh, shit.
He probably pissed his pants.
Save me, please, Lord. Bro, you made me pee myself. Riker, you made me wee myself. Riker, you made me piss myself. Oh my God. Bro, shut up, you're not Dream.
Wait, I'll show you what Dream is. Bro, you have no idea how stupid it sounded. Dude, all I hear is this. I hear you laughing and you're all and it gets so loud. Oh.
Oh my God. Dude, oh God, dude. And that Dream. The way freaking Dream laughed with the 99-cent Dollar Tree headset.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah. Oh, dude, that one made me piss myself. I'm not even joking. It made the freaking thing. It made my pee come out, bro. My freaking pee come out of my booty hole after that.
Booty juice.
No cap, dude. My freaking pants are wet. Oh God, Riker, what did you do to me? Shut up, you're not Dream. I like your cut, G.
He slapped my ball.
Oh, dude, nice guitar. Can I play with it? Hey! Come here, Dream.
I'm recording.
POV Dream with freaking Dollar Tree headset. Bro, shut up. You're not Dream. Oh, what the heck?
Alright, but anyway, guys, that was fun. That was all fun. Want to end it here.
Dude.
And peace out, y'all.